What's going on, guys? It's your boy Frankie. I'm here with Jay, and today we're going to be installing rock lights on the Groms. Okay, so what we're doing on this video is everybody, a lot of Grom owners, motorcycle owners, they've got, like the LED strips and everything underneath their bikes. However, my good friend Jay over here, he did his research and stumbled across these badass rock lights over here too. Check this out. And they're not even that expensive either. You can get them for like 20, 25 bucks. We're gonna install these things on our bikes because they are super bright and everything. He even has them on his Jeep, and check this thing, guys. Check this out, guys. There you go, look, these things are super bright. Over here, and then he's got all this hooked up through his S-Pod. All remotely through his the phone and everything. Is freaking like the sickest shit you can get. Totally off the hook. Basically what we're gonna do here is, so Jay's setup's a little different than mine. He's got a toggle switch over here that he installed, and then on mine, I've got a switch right over here too. So basically, if you guys have ever installed like stereo systems or anything like that, this is pretty much like the same thing too. You just have your positive and negative wires to worry about, so it's fairly easy. Me and him both, we're going to be using three-way switches. So basically the switch will go through the battery terminal, and then that works as a toggle to turn the LED lights on and off. So we're going to show you where we're mounting all of our lights and everything too, and then we'll show you the end results. So what we've decided to do on these is these lights can be bolted on, but what we decided to do is just use industrial Velcro, because I mean it'll hold really well. I've tested it before too, and what we're gonna do is, since he's got the switch over here and everything, we're gonna be mounting one of the lights right here in the back. I hope you guys can see that. We got one in the back over there which illuminate the back part of the bike, and then another one right underneath the light over here too. Now, Jay's got his air box over here too, so his setup is a little different, but on mine, it's completely open, as you can see right here too. So I might try to install a third one there, maybe not, but I doubt I'll need it, because these lights already in general are gonna be really bright. And we've already gone through all the laws and everything, so we're not doing anything illegal or anything here. So I mean, as long as they're facing the ground, they're not flashing or anything, and they're a certain distance away from your headlight and taillight, you're all good. All right, so we're pretty much just about done with the lights here. Just wanted to update you guys with the progress. So I ended up mounting the front light right underneath there too, because I didn't have the same type of platform as Jay's bike over there, which is all good. And then we both have our back lights mounted in the same spot right underneath over there too. Got my switch hooked up. All the wiring is going right underneath here, right through there, and then it's going through this loom right here too, and it's all connected to the battery terminals and everything. Jay did all this custom work himself. I think he did a really freaking clean job. It came out freaking great. And as you can see on his bike as well too, we both have the same setup and everything too. Anything you want to add?
Yeah, honestly, like the harness is really simple to make. Like I made it within about 20 minutes time, 15 minutes from start to finish. Granted, your switch was a little bit different than my switch.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was came out super clean and really came out easy. I mean, I mean, like I said, I think I might start making these harnesses and just like selling them.
I think you should.
I mean, honestly, they're super easy to make, and if we can get, something together, having the harness with the lights, I think that'd be really cool.
Hell yeah, dude, I'm with you on that. I mean, yeah, these came out. I mean, this is really good. These are gonna be solid. We're not gonna have to worry about these getting disconnected or anything like that, too. So.
And they're really super low wattage.
Exactly.
So they're not drawing a lot. They're rock lights. That was my whole thing. Is originally we were gonna go with these LED strips. I mean, we bought them like 6-7 months ago. Actually, last summer.
Last summer
exactly. Is when we bought them.
Exactly.
But I got my Jeep over here and I bought some rock lights for that. And I was like, you know what? They're super bright. Why not put them on the bike and actually really illuminate the bike?
Yeah, so glad you researched that. We put those instead of the strips, dude.
It came out super, like I said, it came out really good on the Jeep.
Exactly.
So might as well throw them on here if they're really truly that bright. Might as well.
Exactly. And yeah, it came out great. So you know what? I think we're gonna roll the bikes out in the dark, and then we're gonna flip these on and show you guys how they look. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, in the flesh. Look at that. It is dark out, and I'm hoping you guys can see this as good as we are, because in reality, like the on camera, this is not going to do its justice at all. I mean, these came out these are bright. They came out great. Look at that. There you guys have it. Rock lights, LED. If you want yours to really stand out, these are only 2 lights on here too. They cost us like $20 for 4 of them. And we're only using 2, and look how bright those came out.
$20 for all of this.
Exactly.
Both bikes. $20.
Awesome. And then we both have lit up lights. Yeah, as you can see, mine right there too, and then right there on the side. Oh yeah, look at that.
Rigid Industries. Hey.
Right. There you guys go with the engines running, lights on. That's definitely gonna attract some attention. But hey, you know what? All motorcycle riders know that when you're out there on the road, we're not easily seen, so this will definitely change that. SCV Mini Moto.
Yeah, from this angle, it looks super sick. Maybe SCV in there.
Right?
Yeah, look at it. Headlights illuminated.
Yeah. That is awesome.
Dude, that looks perfect.
Great freaking job.